Hi everybody, this is Laura McElroy, and I am currently in my bathroom because I've got children in the other room and they're watching a really loud movie. So I thought I'd come in here and record my introductory discussion forum for this week. I'm very excited about this course, because I really love Dr. Henderson. I really enjoy him as a professor, and so if you haven't had him yet, I think you're in for a treat. I think most of us probably already have, so that's exciting. So I'll tell you a little bit about my educational and professional background. So I actually started off when I graduated high school as an English education major back in 2002. I took classes for about a year and a half. I'm from Jacksonville, so I went to FCCJ for community college, and then I went to Florida State for a semester, and then we had some personal crises in my family, so I had to come home. And then following that, I went to UNF, University of North Florida, for about a year. And I sort of just went off track for a little while. I stopped going to school and I didn't really know what I wanted to do. I was kind of doing that, young adult thing. So after I got married, I decided I wanted to go back and finish school. So I found Southeastern University online. I figured after having a baby that would be the best way to finish my bachelor's. And I wasn't sure what I wanted to do necessarily. I thought I might work at the church, because I worked at the church at the time, but I thought I might work in ministry in some form with kids or something. So I got my bachelor's at Southeastern in practical theology, and then I wanted to continue because at that point I decided I wanted to teach, and I was working with kids already, so I wanted to get a teaching degree. So I got my master's in teaching and learning, which they no longer offer, so I did that. And now currently I am working on my doctorate in education. So right now I taught in elementary school for 3 years. I did teach there. And then I had some issues with my certificate. So I ended up I'm working in a completely different field right now. And I think it's temporary. I have some other plans. As far as my plans for my doctorate, I really want to open up my own business, my own education business, having to do with personalized education. I have a business model and plan that I've been working on, and I'm hoping that this will just lead me in that direction. So that's what I'm hoping to do with it. As far as this course goes, it's higher education, and I figured this is going to help me in any walk of my experience, whatever I decide to do with my business, or if I decide to stay where I'm at right now. So I figured that would help. So I hope to learn more about what it takes to be on, if thinking about being a principal or a head of a school or anything like that, or just the higher education period, or maybe even in the college realm, which maybe in retirement years or when I'm older, I'd like to maybe teach a course online. So who knows, we'll see. So that's where I'm at right now. And that's that. Oh, by the way, I love me some Baby Yoda. I just happen to have him on my shirt today. So, all right, guys, we're almost there. Have a great night.